Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Spiral Rain box. This is a Canadian witchy box. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. It's their June box, so let's take a look inside. It's got a little spark to align with the universe, and I believe that's French. On the top is a thank you with a beautiful picture. Merci. So double-sided. So it's got a pretty substantial information pack here, but I always look at those last. This is information. Our candles are made with a touch of magic and lots of love. We do not use fragrances, dyes, or toxic chemical stabilizers in our soy wax. The candles can and will melt in heat. This will not affect the smell or quality of the product, but it may change the look of the wax. Never leave a candle unattended, so this is basically safety stuff. It's English and French again. We got beautiful little purple dealy bobs here. I think it smells good, but my nose is a little bit stuffed. So we've got some moon incense, nice. We've got a lovely little box here. Looks like a sunflower. Pretty. Storing magical stuff in. We've got a beautiful, sleep pillow. So a sleep pillow is a great natural way to assist you in more peaceful, restful sleep, a spiritual awakening. Slip the dream sachet between your own pillowcase or beside your bed and then go to sleep. Remember to write your dreams as you wake. It may give you some insight on your past, present, or maybe your future. Herbs maintain their scent for 8 to 12 months. If the scent seems to fade, simply crush the herbs within the bag slightly to release their aroma. Store in a plastic bag when not in use to maintain the scent longer. It's got rosemary, chamomile, rose, jasmine, lavender, mugwort, and essential oils of lavender, rose, jasmine, chamomile, ylang ylang, vanilla infused with amethyst, howlite, clear quartz, moonstone, and rose quartz. So very, very cool. Got a beautiful box here. Can't see what's in it yet. Oh, it fell underneath here, but let's see. It looks beautiful. It's a necklace with a pentagram and a moon and a bead. It looks like opalite. Very, very pretty. I'll put that right here. Oh, we got a bag of stones, crystals. Let me see here. I want to say labradorite, rose quartz, smoky quartz, selenite, and amethyst. Excellent, excellent stones. Very good stones. Nice. Ooh, we got a pretty candle, and it's got the moon phases. Very pretty. Glass, like that. Moon, jasmine, and cucumber. That's an interesting combination. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, smells actually really refreshing. And it's got, I don't know, is this a sunstone maybe? I'm not sure. But it really, sometimes jasmine can be a little overwhelming for me. But with the cucumber, it actually is super, fresh. So that's really a nice combination. And it looks like I got a book. I love it. The Severed Moon, a year-long journal of magic. Wow! We learn to wring magic from the ordinary. That's my favorite thing. Ooh. So there's little prompts. I love that. That's really fun. Cool. And I've never heard of this book. So let's look at the insert. The month of Juno, the principal Roman goddess, is June. Juno is the Roman queen of the gods, goddess of women, and protectress of the state. She is often associated with the Greek Hera and the Etruscan goddesses Uni or Cupra. Together with Jupiter and Minerva, she was part of the Capitoline triad of the primary gods of Rome and is the mother of Mars, the tutelary god of Rome. The month June is named for her, and the first day of each month, the kalends, is dedicated to her. This month is a good month to focus on children and planning a family. You might consider magic aimed at symbolic fruitfulness, such as abundant productiveness. It's got some information. So the full moon is already passed. If you're born in June, it's got some information here. The tree of the month. Okay, that's very cool. So like hawthorn for the first half, and then it's got oak on the second half. The upcoming new moon, so that's really awesome. Strawberry moon, and then myth and magic about June. There's lots of good information, so that's really cool. Got some information on Cancer, using Cancer and magic. Kitchen witchery. This is a very neat box. So goddesses, color. Void, Cancer, shadow element. So that's really cool. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Oh, that's very interesting. So the shadow element of water signs is the void, and it talks about the void. So that's really, really cool. I love that. And I love the little art. This is thick, pretty paper, so lots of information. Oh my gosh, and here's more. So Litha, different names, lore, what you might put on your altar, oils, incense, flowers, herbs, basically correspondences. So that's really neat. More correspondences and a recipe. Wow. There's a lot of good information in here. Magical ideas for your ritual. Oh, and a moon calendar. Wow. That's really cool, and it's really pretty. I love that. Wow. So full of good information. Oh my gosh. And moon phase magic, which we talk about a lot here. Better sleep stones. So that's what I thought these stones were for. It's great. So amethyst. Oh. The moon in my moon candle is the moonstone. Okay. Labradorite, selenite, rose, and smoky quartz. Perfect. The severed moon. A journal filled with prompts and quotations. That's really, really cool. Of course, the moon incense. The moon candle, and bronze metal box with flower of life. Beautiful. Moonstone, pentagram, and moon goddess necklace. So that's really cool. It's a moonstone. Neat. A sleep pillow with the ingredients and then the information about each and every herb. This is a really, like, very informative packet here. My goodness. Hello, dear witches. As you may have noticed, this month is all about the moon and nighttime. June is such a refreshing month. I love to feel the warmth of the sun and hearing the birds sing in the morning. So this is like a little story or quote. Everybody has a little bit of the sun and the moon in them. Everybody has a little bit of man, woman, and animal in them. Darks and light in them. Everyone is part of a connected cosmic system. Part earth and sea, wind and fire, with some salt and dust swimming in them. We have a universe within ourselves that mimics the universe outside. None of us are just black or white, or never wrong and always right. No one. No one exists without polarities. Everybody has good and bad forces working with them, against them, and within them. Thank you for being part of Spiral Rain's family. Blessed Litha to you all, and a blessed month of June filled with lots of love, magic, and light. Rainy. This is amazing. This is a very nice box. I really like, number one, I'm going to enjoy this information anyway, but especially if I was a baby witch or a beginner witch, I get this question all the time. Like, what should I do if I'm just, which box is best for starting out? And I feel like this one has so much information about each of the parts and how they're working in each of the items that this would be very, very helpful. So even like just, it lists all the herbs and what they do. It lists all the stones and what they do. And then it talks about each item individually, and then it gives you information about what's going on moon-wise, planetary-wise. I'm very impressed. This is a very nice box. So I'm going to leave the information in the description bar below, so you guys can totally check that out. I just got an email not that long ago that another box that I'm getting is actually not going to be doing their thing monthly anymore. They're actually going to be a quarterly box, which is fine because I haven't really connected with that box. And so definitely, as I'm starting to consider another box, this would be high on the list. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you.